The VFGJKFG Photo Magnet Machine is a fantastic kit. It lets you create custom fridge magnets. This DIY set comes with everything you need. You get a paper cutter. Also, 100 magnet components are included. Making magnets is simple. First, print your favorite photos. Then, cut them to size. Next, assemble them with the machine. It is really that easy. This machine is great for personalizing your fridge. You can display cherished memories. VFGJKFG. Make your own photo magnets brings your pictures to life. Therefore, it is a fun craft. Moreover, this machine is perfect for gifts. You can make unique presents. Think of birthday favors or holiday keepsakes. The magnets are also good for small businesses. They can be promotional items. VFGJKFG. Make your own photo magnets helps you create unique marketing. Furthermore, the process is quick, and it is enjoyable. The components are sturdy. Your magnets will last because of this. They are a lasting memory. The kit is user-friendly. Even beginners can succeed. Consequently, creativity flows freely. In conclusion, the VFGJKFG Photo Magnet Machine is a gem. It turns photos into art. You can decorate your kitchen, or you can spread joy. It is a versatile tool. Plus, it is affordable. The quality is surprising. VFGJKFG. Make your own photo magnets makes magnet making accessible. Ultimately, it sparks imagination. Therefore, it is highly recommended. It offers endless possibilities. Pros. Makes Christmas and birthday gifts. Each button is unique. Record scenery or pictures. Fix magnets anywhere you want. Easy operation. Includes paper cutter. Comes with 100 PCs materials. Made of high quality steel. Good thermal conductivity. Maintains structural stability features. Makes photo magnets easily. DIY kit included. Comes with a paper cutter. Includes 100 magnet parts for fridge decoration. Great for advertising. Ideal for gifts. User-friendly operation. Create custom magnets. All-in-one magnet maker. The VFGJKFG Photo Magnet Machine helps you make your own fridge magnets easily. It comes with everything you need. A machine, a paper cutter, and 100 magnet parts. You can use it to decorate your fridge, make advertising gifts, or create custom magnets for any occasion. It's a simple, all-in-one kit that anyone can use. The VFGJKFG Photo Magnet Machine is a fun and easy-to-use kit that lets you make your own fridge magnets. It comes with everything you need, including a paper cutter and 100 magnet components. You can use it to turn your favorite photos or drawings into unique magnets for your fridge, or to make personalized Christmas and birthday gifts. The machine is made of strong steel, so it's built to last.